Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Pickaway County, northeastern Ross County, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near North Oak Village, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Chillicothe, Circleville, Kingston, Logan Elm Village, Pickaway County Airport, and Andersonville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Richland County, southeastern Morrow County, Knox County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Galion to Chesterville to 6 miles west of Sparta, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Mount Vernon, Shelby, Ontario, Lexington, Crestline, Fredericktown, Gambier, Belleville, Plymouth, Centerburg, Chesterville, Sparta, Waterford, Butler, Lucas, Marengo, Martinsburg, North Liberty, and Shenandoah. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.